Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter bootloader mode on DOOGEE S100. So you have to start with completely powering off your device. And now when your device is powered off, you have to press volume up button and power button at the same time. And now you are in bootloader mode, and here you have to use volume up button to navigate and volume down to select. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.